In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add extra columns in Google Sheets. If you're organizing a growing data set, creating space for new fields, or just tidying up your layout, adding columns is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and along the way, I'll share a few tips so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening your Google Sheets file so you can see your grid of rows and columns. Make sure you have a cell selected in the area where you want more space. The insert options you're about to use rely on your current selection to decide where the new column or row will appear. Now look to the menu bar at the top and click Insert. This opens a drop-down with options for different types of content you can add. From that list, click Columns. You'll see choices to insert a column relative to your current selection. Choose the option to insert a column to the left. When you do, Google Sheets will immediately add a brand new blank column to the left of the cell or column you had selected, shifting your existing data to the right. Your headings and formulas will move along with the data, and most formulas will automatically adjust their references to account for the new column. If you need more space, you can repeat the same action. Click Insert again, then click Columns again to open the same set of choices. Each time you use this menu and confirm your choice, another column is inserted and your data shifts to make room. If you ever click Insert and don't see the column options you expect, make sure a specific cell or column is selected first. That gives Sheets the context it needs. And if you change your mind, use Undo to instantly revert the last insertion. After inserting, you can resize the new column by dragging the boundary in the header, or fill it with labels and formulas as needed. While we're here, it's helpful to know you can add rows from the same place. With your cell still selected, click Insert, then choose Rows. From the row options, select Insert one row below. A new blank row appears directly under your current row, pushing existing rows downward. This is handy when you realize you need an extra entry or a spacer row beneath your active data. That's it. You've added extra columns, and you've seen how to drop in a new row when you need one. Save your sheet, and you're ready to keep building out your data with confidence.